Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to enhance your browsing experience. Today, we'll show you how to find all sites' data and permissions in Chrome on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. First, locate the More button at the top right corner of your Chrome browser and click on it. Step 2. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access the browser's settings page. Step 3. On the left-hand side of the settings page, click on Privacy and Security to explore privacy-related options. Step 4. Within the Privacy and Security section, find and click on See All Sites Data and Permissions. Step 5. Here, you can view a list of all the websites you have visited and their associated data and permissions. By following these simple steps, you can easily find all sites' data and permissions in Chrome on your PC. This feature allows you to manage and control the information shared by websites, offering you enhanced privacy and security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.